Hi my beautiful YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing and the date is April 9th, so I'm going to do this unboxing really quick and get it uploaded today. Tomorrow you're going to want to keep an eye out for my video. Got some information in there for you guys. Okay, so I did just get this in the mail. It is windy like none other here. It's 80 the other day and now it's probably, it's just chilly and windy and icky, and it's supposed to snow on Sunday. Mother Nature does not know the date. So this is my Ipsy subscription. It is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And it's guaranteed to be valued at over 120. So let's go ahead and undo this. Okay. I'm gonna dig in here and get this bag out. And then a card as well. Oh, so here's this month's bag. Really cute. Very, very nice. This month's box is Full Bloom. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love that they send this product card. It gives you information on the product and then also the price. Peace. Okay, so I'm going to reach in here and I received the Triple Shot Extra Extra Large Mascara from Ciate, London. And this retails for $22. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I've been using a deluxe sample mascara and it's about time to throw that one away. So I will go ahead and open this one. And I do like Ciate's products. So it's a nice wand, black. And then I am going to read the information card as well. And on days and nights where you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. A few coats of the innovative fiber formula give even the teeniest lashes extreme volume, definition, and length without any annoying clumps or flakes. And then a tip, you'll need more than just water to take this stuff off at the end of the day. You're going to want to soak a cotton round in an oil-based makeup remover and gently sweep it across your lids until they're clean. So I'm always grateful when they have something like that, when they have a tip like that, especially if this is going to be a very difficult mascara to get off. So I will use this really soon, and I will let you know what I think of this. And we'll see. Like I said, I've enjoyed Ciate London products in the past. I have had one of their mascaras and then even an eyeliner before. I'll give you my thoughts on this. Next is this Ciate, and this is the Creme Rose, the very best cream rose. So let me give you some information on this. This retails for $39. Treat your body to intense moisture and your nose to a pretty floral scent with this body cream. The magic combo Kapuka butter and absinin oil to soften and smooth roughness, plus notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water that linger on skin throughout the day. And then a tip for this is to slather this body cream on damp skin as soon as you hop out of the shower. It'll lock in the extra water for long-lasting hydration. I can definitely use some long-lasting hydration, so I'm eager to try this. Let's get and this is what it looks like when it comes out. feels very nice going onto the skin. I like the scent. It's floral. It reminds me of something. I just can't put my fingers on it. So I will give you an update on how I'm liking this, and I am going to take its advice and put it on after a shower and see if that doesn't help with some of my dry skin. This is the Tartiest Double Take Eyeliner in black. This retails for $24. In a description, TBH. We'd love just one Tarte liner, but two? Yep. Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. And then a tip for this is Cat Eye Noob. Create your best line using the liquid liner first, and if it's bumpy, NBD, no big deal. I got that one. Glide the pencil right on top, then smudge it out with a brush to create a cool, smoky effect. And this is the liner side. Hey, I was right. Let's see. There's that. And then let's go ahead and move to the liquid side. Ooh, that's pretty intense. Huh. I really do like having liquid liners. I'm really eager to try this out, so I will have this in an upcoming video as well and give you my opinions. Then I have this, and this is a company I'm not familiar with either, and this is Bloom Effects, and this is the Dutch Dirt Mask. The secret to a fresh, dewy face? Dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask's Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for the skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin, and make large pores a thing of the past. And on one of their tips says, short on time, massage a small amount of this mask onto damp skin for 30 seconds for a quick yet totally effective exfoliation. We all know I like my masks. Right off the bat, I don't like that all that fluid comes out, but I'm not really sensing a fragrance to it. Oh, it's nice. That feels good. So this is the consistency, and I will have this for my Mask Monday on. So look for this mask on Mask Monday for April 13th. And then the last thing in my bag is what I picked for, this was my choice product. And this is the Shaina B Miami. I think I'm saying that right. If not, I'm sorry. So the packaging matches the outer packaging. Consider these 8 shades for your spring shadow essentials. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. And even though they're powders, they feel like creams. Think smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. And then a tip for a sheer diffused wash of color, use a fluffy shadow brush to sweep these shadows over your lids. So it does have a mirror. my messy room. It's a decent sized mirror. And then here are the colors in this palette. They're really, really pretty. And I like the little design, little flamingos in there. It's kind of cute. Okay. These feel really nice. Haul Over Nude. Porta Princess. Everglade. And then Heat. They do feel nice and buttery as I'm picking them up with my finger. I know I'm not going to say all of these names right, and I do apologize. It's no disrespect. And this is Biscayne or Cane. I'm not sure. Biscayne. Winwood. Soft Peach. And then Cafecito. Here are the swatches from that palette. 4 on the top are all shimmers. And then the bottom row are mattes. I do want to see really quick, this Heat shade intrigues me. I am grabbing my Moda Pro BMX 430 brush because it's fluffy. I am going to just dip into Heat and just kind of do a sheer wash. I will definitely do looks with these products, but since I did that already, I might as well try and line my eyes. Let's see how this goes. How do I get that all over me? Okay. I am so bad at lining my eyes, especially. I'm going to try to do it like this. I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of this on. I cannot do this one. Well, maybe I'll try. I'll try and do this on camera. But I'm going to have to scoochie way in. This mascara does have a little bit of a fragrance. It does make my lashes look a little longer. So we'll see. I am going to do a dedicated look using this, all these products, and I'll let you know. This was just, I didn't have anything on, so I figured I'd go ahead and put something on really quick. And I did add up all the products, all the retail prices for the products, and it came to $154, so well over the $120. And then anybody who does get this, it says to save the date for April 25th, and that's when we get to choose a product for our May bag. Overall, I'm excited to try these items. I I always like getting eyeshadow palettes, and this one looked I didn't tell you how much that palette retails for. This palette retails for $20. So that's going to do it for my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. I look forward to trying out these products and giving you my opinions, and I hope that you will join me for that. And again, keep your eyes out tomorrow for a very special video. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic day, evening, or night. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love to have you as part of my YouTube family member. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Much love.